Babylon say my herb is illegal plan in this creation, you know. But I say my herb is legal.
No hate the system say, no listen Babylon say, about my herbs, my weed and my ganja, my herbs, my weed and my ganja. No hate the system say, no listen Babylon say, my brother herbs, my weed and my ganja, my herbs. See why they say marijuana is illegal. Why they say what wickedness. Why they say marijuana is illegal. Why they say no hear the system say. Why they say marijuana is illegal. Why they say oh yes just say. Why they say marijuana is illegal. I wake up in the morning, I give thanks and praise to Jah to let me see creation in my journey of my life. Ganja is a good for meditation. Ganja is a plan of creation. He Rastafari recognize yes. Ganja is a plan of vibration. Why they say marijuana is illegal? Why they say what wickedness? Why they say marijuana is illegal? Why they say oh yes just say. Why they say marijuana is illegal? Why they say what wickedness? Why they say marijuana is illegal? Because they try to confuse your mind. Well, I thought drugs, alcohol and cigarette style.